Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about the new guidelines on VA cash out that came in November. They used to go 100% base loan amount, cash out, and then the funding fee would go on there. Well, now it's 90% with the funding fee added in there. So if you have a funding fee, the max we can go is 90% of the value of the house. When the appraisal comes in, your max loan amount can't exceed 90% of that. Now, they changed the rule back, the VA did, but all the banks kept that rule. There's a couple people out there that will still go to 100%, but you really get nailed on the rate. It's really off the charts, so it still exists, but it's not a friendly rate. Now, when it comes to the cash out, you cannot just get cash out for any reason. There has to be a tangible benefit. So if you're paying off debt, that works. If you're rehabbing a house, it works. If you want to throw a party with it, then you have to at least save 0.5% on your mortgage. So if you're at 3.5% right now, and we do a cash out refinance at 4%, and you're using that money for anything else besides paying that off or rehabbing your house, the underwriter's not going to move forward with the loan because it's not a tangible benefit. So cash out is no longer a tangible benefit. So keep that in mind. You have to do something that's increasing the value of your house or reducing your debt, which therefore gives you an increase in residual income. So keep that in mind. They changed it 90% total LTV on cash out refinance.